Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Hanif. I'm mixologist at Golden Choice Marketing. Today I will present to you 4 types of drinks, recipe that we use Honey Citron Jam. Okay, for the first drink, I call this one is a coffee citron soda. So for the citron jam, I use 60 gram. One shot of espresso, ice, slice of lemon, and top up with soda water. So it's the first drink, is a coffee citron soda. So I will finish it with mint leaf as a garnishing. For the second drinks, we teach you how to make the seasoned honey citron. For the seasoned honey citron, I will use seasoned green tea. So for the seasoned green tea, I put 100 ml. And also water 100 ml. So I also use honey lemon. This is golden choice honey lemon. So I will use 15 ml. And also for honey citron jam, I use 30 ml. Ice and stir it. Glass and pour all the things inside the glass. So done for the seasoned honey citron. For the third drinks, I'll teach you how to make honey citron mojito. So for honey citron mojito, I will use lemon, one slice, from the glass. Then I also use lime powder, 10 grams. Then for honey citron, I use 30 ml. Then I also use a mint leaf, fresh mint leaf. Mother all ingredient. Then I also use Monan syrup. Ten ml. Ice. And also top up with soda water. So, honey citron mojito. Okay, then for the last drink, I teach you how to make the jasmine honey citron. For the jasmine honey citron, I will use a jasmine green tea, 100 ml. And also water, 100 ml. For the honey citron, I use 30 ml. Then I also use sunrise orange monan. Only 10 ml. Ice. And pour all ingredients inside the glass. Then finish your drink, the garnishing, the mint leaf. Okay guys, thank you for watching our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and give thumb up. Okay, bye bye.